In this video, I'm going to share with you how I record my trades and keep a journal. So what you see on the screen is a post that I shared yesterday on my blog, iTradeAIMS.com. And there in the blog I have shared my, well, this is usually available if you are a member of the AIMS forum. So inside the forum, we share with you this template, and this is a little bit more detailed one for stocks that I've created, a new one. So we use this template to record our trades. Just the way I teach my AIMS members how to keep the journal, I'm going to keep a journal myself for the stock portfolio. Every trade that I take will be considered as trade, a single trade, and it'll be part of a batch. So the way to record is what we call the T20 principle. What it does is that it keeps your mind focused at the result of 20 trades instead of one trade, because your trading edge will shine or come out or show itself at the end of 20, 50, 100 trades, not every trade. So it helps the trader, keeps the focus off the net result of a single trade and switches you to a longer term view, and that is what traders should focus on. So I learned this technique from Mark Douglas in his, rest in peace, his great book Trading in the Zone, which everyone should read. And towards the end of the book, he gives an example of the probabilistic mindset. So the whole idea is to get a probabilistic mindset, and to get a probabilistic mindset, he shared the idea of take 20 trades and see how the edge plays out within the 20 trades. So we added this bit of discipline score with it. So the idea is that you need to find a method that works, right? So if you found a method that has a positive edge in the market, for example, the setup one gives you about 40% winners, right? Or let's call it 33% winners, 33% losers, and 33% break even. Now, break even is also a winning trade. In my mindset, I mean, some people might disagree with me, that's fine. But break even is actually a winning trade because you took a risk of, let's say, 1 hour, let's say £100, and then when you close the trade, you did not lose anything. So it's a break even trade, still a winner. So if you add the winners and the break even together, that's 66% winners and 33% losers. So if that is your edge, that's a very fantastic edge. It will keep you at profit factor of 1.5 if you carry on like that. So numerous people have taken the T20 challenge. Let me bring the forum here. So if you go to the trading zone here, there are loads of people who actually done this, right? And the people who have been able to stick to the plan and actually kept all the records and all, what you would see in common is that they will clock between 5 to 7% profit on average if they remain at least 70% disciplined. So that's the whole plan. So I'm going to record mine in my, here we go. This is going to be my journal inside the forum. So today I'm going to clock my first one. So I'm doing my streams about finding the stocks and taking the stocks and stuff, but I'm going to do an individual trade post at the end of a trade. So yesterday was the first stock that actually completed. So the symbol was GAB. We got in. So let's go to that stock now. Here we go. So that's the stock. Daily chart and weekly chart. So the idea was to catch a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, to catch the 5 up. I did, however, had this thought process when I saw the 1, 2, 3. I thought, and this is very typical, you can get what we call B trapped. So this could be A down. Let me mark that. This could be a wave A down, and this could be a B up. So we could see a C down that touches the purple, and it probably can set up later on as well. But for now, my entry was at 640, and my initial stop loss was here at 620. When this B trap started happening, and yesterday, the day before actually, on Friday, market closed over here, I moved my stop loss to 625, I think, or was it 624, 622, 625 over here. So I minimized my loss. So the loss literally is, I think it's less than a quarter. Yes, the loss is less than a quarter. I'm going to go to that in a bit. So let's go to the template first. So I want to record my batch number. So this is going to be, batch is the 220 batch. So it's going to be B1T1. So let's go and start a new post. And this is going to be batch 1, trade 1. So I'm going to write it as batch 1, trade 1. Let's close this one and close this and close this. So, okay, we'll close that as well. So we are left with 3 tabs. Oh, you don't see the tabs. Yeah, I can see that the recording is from, I don't know if the mic is working. Hello? So the T20 principal book is available inside the members area, and you can download it. So the first thing is going to be batch and trade number, then the symbol, time frame, and all of that. Now, there are 2 ways of recording this. One way is to record this in a Google Sheet, right? One way is to record it this way. Okay, so name, symbol, number, and all that can be added. Like so. Actually, what I can do is to copy this and paste it there. That's one way of doing it. So once you copy that over there, you can then, you know, change the details of this as well. Now, I can easily do this, and this is most probably what I will be doing. So I'll record my ideas like so, my trades like this, and then copy and paste it onto my journal. So then after that, I can actually, what's going on? Let's go to the source. Okay. I'm stuck in a table. So let's go back. Oh. Okay, now it's changed everything. I'll go back there, copy and paste it. Okay, so now I'm fine. So here I will write my idea, my post, but for that I will be using a notepad. So here's a copy of this template in a notepad. I will attach this to my journal so that I can review it every time. I have it on my desktop, so I can just copy and then paste it here. And now this will make it very easy for me to fill it in, right? So I will enter my batch number, batch and trade number here. So that's B1. Oh my God. What is happening? B1T1. Symbol and time frame. So symbol is GAB and time frame is D1. What was the signal type? The signal type was setup 1. Direction is long. Date of entry was 21st of January 2021. And the date of exit is 25th, 2021. My entry price was, maybe I should change this to date of entry and entry price, and then date of exit, and then entry price, right? And exit price, 6 and 7. And this could be the exit price. The exit price is 625, right? So my stop loss was 625. My entry was at 640. So that's a 15 points loss, or a minus 37 pound, because the risk was only £100. So I was going to go with half a risk here to mitigate this risk, right? So I went with half a risk, which was counted from here, and I reduced my risk to further when I saw that this wasn't going in my favor. So if it had gone up a couple of days and then down a couple of days and created a box over there, then I would have added the other half of the risk. And then when price came to this level, I probably would have taken half the profit, move my stop loss to break even, and then let the rest run on the weekly chart. That's obviously what's not happened. So let's go through the questions a bit, and I would like to talk about this. So these are the technical bits, the questions before a trade is taken. So I will record these in form of a video, like I said, right? That's why I have made this comment. So I'm making this video to record this. So how did I feel? How did I feel about setting those orders and my intuition and all of that? So when I saw this setup, I was positive. This was one of my first trade into this new account that was supposed to be in the new year. I had a bit of reservation about these levels here. I had a bit of reservation about this strong candle. But at the same time, I also saw an A, B, and a C. So I thought the ABC has happened, so the chance of B trap is minimized. But as you can see, sometimes what you think is an ABC could be just an A down. And maybe if it just continues to go down, then the whole concept that we thought was, you know, a 3 up and a 4 down could be wrong. And that's when we have a loser. So it's going pretty much down. It's still a wave 4, still valid. Because when the market opens today, there's going to be a box high over there, and if price starts to go back up, it's going to be another setup, and who knows, we might actually go and try it again. So no regrets on this. It's a pretty good trade. Entry was good, exit is good. I would give it a discipline score of 1. So not going to write this over here because I'm making a video. So I will, for my when I record these videos, I will literally copy and paste this from my template here. If you want this template, I will share it with you. This is an Excel sheet, right? And maybe I'll link it. So I'll copy and paste that there, and then I will attach my video to it. So this was a short review of this trade, and nothing fancy about it. So if you look at if you watch my weekly streams, you will come across, when I come across these trades, when I find them first, and then you will watch me set my orders, you will watch me change my stop losses, and then at the end we will do this end of the trade review. And so this is the review of this. GAB was a loss, but a great setup. As long as I keep taking these setups, at the end of 100 trades, we will be 20-30% up. And that is pretty much the idea. Why? Because every 20 trades, we're expecting to be up between 5 to 7%, risking 1% per trade only. right? So if at the end of 100 trades, let's suppose we were able to do 5 batches for this year, not even counting compounding, we are hoping to be up between 30 to 40% if it goes like this. But 25% is the target. 25% is the target. But we could do 50%. But we'll see how it goes. So that's what it is. Thank you for tuning in, and watch out for the next trade. We're still in 2 trades, and because we're out of this, now we can actually set another order. All right then.